How I make my hummingbird feeder water. I use a few slices of dehydrated beets. As you can see, that gives it that nice purple color. That nice red purple. And then I use a little bit of sugar. I boil it just till it starts to boil. Then I take it off the heat, let it cool down, and put it in the hummingbird feeder. And these dehydrated beet chips are also really good to snack on. They're very yummy. You can also rehydrate them and use them in salads. And just after a few seconds here, you can already see it starting to turn very bright red. It almost looks artificial red, but it's not. It's a nice natural red color. It's a lot healthier for your hummingbirds to have a natural red beet color derived from natural beets than it is to have, like food coloring derived from artificial sources. And I probably overkilled it on the beet slices. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 of them in there, 8 or 9. I probably could have used about 3 or 4. It would have had the same effect. But I have an abundance of beet chips, so figured I might as well use them somehow. I also poured in a little bit of sugar. Usually I do molasses or honey, but I got lazy today and I just decided to use sugar. Sometimes I don't do any sugar at all. The hummingbirds are just as well attracted to the beet juice. They love it. And it gives them the nutrients they need. The sugar, of course, adds an extra boost, because we all know hummingbirds go through a lot of calories and they need that extra energy. And it's all ready. I fished out the beets with the fork, and these are actually good to eat. I'm going to eat these. I call them Paul's Sweet Beets. A little softer now. A little sugary. Very good treat. And here's our hummingbird feeder. We're going to use a funnel to put the beet juice in there. So I couldn't really do it with one hand, but poured it in there. Spilt a little bit, but it's okay. Watered my saffron plants. And there we go. Nice natural hummingbird feeder fluid for the happy hummingbird. Like and subscribe.